In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to eliminate ads on Pinterest. We'll walk through a simple setting inside your account that reduces how Pinterest uses your activity to show you ads about Pinterest across the web. This is quick, clear, and completely reversible if you ever change your mind. First, open your preferred browser and go to Pinterest.com. Make sure you're signed into the account you want to adjust. The setting we're changing is tied to your profile, so it won't apply unless you're logged in. Once Pinterest loads, look toward the bottom left corner of the screen. You should see a small settings or gear icon. Click that icon to open your account controls. If your layout looks slightly different, don't worry, Pinterest updates its interface now and then, but the gear icon or settings label will still be available in that lower sidebar area. After the small menu appears, click the option labeled Settings. This opens the full settings page where you manage your account, notifications, privacy, and data preferences. Next, find and select Privacy and Data. This section is where Pinterest groups controls related to how your data is used, including ad-related preferences. It's normal to see a few toggles and checkboxes here, and you can hover over or tap any information icons to read Pinterest's brief explanations. Look for the checkbox that reads, Ads about Pinterest. Allow Pinterest scientists to use your activity to improve the ads about Pinterest you're shown on other sites or apps. Uncheck this box. Doing so tells Pinterest not to use your on-platform activity to tailor those ads about Pinterest you might encounter elsewhere online. If the box is already unchecked, you're all set on this particular preference. When you're done, click Save. Saving ensures your choice is recorded immediately. If you navigate away without saving, your old setting may remain in place, so it's worth double-checking that confirmation before you close the page. A quick note on expectations. Turning off this setting won't remove every ad you see on Pinterest, and you may still encounter sponsored content in your feed. What you are doing is preventing Pinterest from using your activity to personalize ads about Pinterest on other sites and apps, which typically reduces how often you see those types of ads elsewhere. If you don't see changes right away, give it a little time. Ad systems can take a short while to update. That's it. You've adjusted your privacy and data setting to limit ads about Pinterest beyond the platform. Thanks for watching, and feel free to revisit this page anytime.